So today we're looking at introductions, and we know that there are 4 different ways that we can try to introduce our writing. We can either use a sound that's related to the big event in our story. We can use the setting of our story, which we already incorporated in our outline yesterday. We can use some interesting dialogue that previews what's happening in the story, or we could start with a question. A question isn't always the most interesting way to start a story, but we can use a question to begin our narrative if we can answer that with the events that happen. When we talk about sounds, for instance, one of the sounds that I could use would be "Happy birthday!" with exclamation points. That's actually more of dialogue. I could also write "Happy birthday" in Chinese as the dialogue to start. Maybe I'd like to start off with just the setting. Beijing in the summertime is really hot, but it's a great place to spend your 38th birthday. Like that. Or I could start off with a question. Do you know how to say happy birthday in Chinese? That would be one that's going to introduce what I did for my big event. So let's practice writing an introduction based on the outline from yesterday. If you're not sure, again, look at your 4 big ideas and which one of those would be most effective, most interesting to start your narrative. I think because of where I was and how that language is not unique to me, I think I'm going to start mine with writing happy birthday in Chinese. Okay, here's some samples of different introductory sentences that will hook my reader and make my story more interesting. So, again, dialogue. Shangri Kuai is how you say happy birthday in Chinese. And so I may start with that dialogue. I may say, Beijing in the summer is hot like Georgia, but a great place to spend your birthday. A question I could use would be, do you know how to say happy birthday in Mandarin? I don't want that there. And then a sound. Kablow went the horns that my friends blew at my party. Based on your samples, you might decide which of these is best for your story, for your narrative, which one seems the most interesting way to start yours. I think I'm going to select dialogue. We also said in here that when we're writing our introductions, we like to do the introductions and conclusions together. I like to start writing my body first, just like we did with the outline, because I can't introduce somebody that I don't know, just like I can't write an introduction about a story that I haven't written. So if I have this body, then maybe now I know what is the best way and most interesting way to start this story. And for what I have included on my outline, I'm going to pick dialogue. Which one seems to work for you?